Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on this channel. I am your host Appa Consultant bringing you episode 44 on Microsoft Power BI PL-300 exam series. Today's topic is View Insights feature in Power BI desktop using different visual types. And those of you who are new to the channel, you can check out this playlist where I have covered all of the previous 43 episodes and you can go and watch all of those episodes which covers the latest questions that are being asked in this certificate examination specifically for Power BI. So yeah, that being said, let's jump and see question number 44. So the question says it's a scenario it's given. Imagine you are a sales manager who uses a Power BI dashboard called Sales Performance to track your team's progress. This dashboard contains a tile with a map visual that shows sales by region. You want to gain a deeper understanding of the regional sales data by exploring related insights and adding relevant visuals to your dashboard. The challenge is you need to use the View Insights feature in Power BI to generate and pin additional tiles that provide more context and details about the regional sales data displayed in the map visual. Your actions available are A. From the sales performance dashboard, select the map visual tile to open the underlying report. B. From the report, select the map visual and then select Get Insights. C. From the sales performance dashboard, select the map visual tile options and then select View Insights. D. From the focus mode view, pin the relevant visuals to the sales performance dashboard. E. From the focus mode view, review the regenerated visuals and insights. And F. From the sales performance dashboard, select edit to modify the report layout. So there are six actions available. You have to select three actions which are suitable to this particular question. Here are your options A, B, C, and D. You can think which three correct actions are correct in this question and you can take your time, select three actions which are correct. I'm going to pause the video here for 10 seconds and meanwhile you can take your time and the time starts now. So yeah, time is up. Let's see what is the correct answer. So it's option A, which is C, E, and D. So basically, you start with your sales performance dashboard, selecting the map visual tile, and then select View Insights, and then you go to focus mode, review the generated visuals, and then the last is D. From the focus mode, pin the relevant visuals to the performance dashboard. So yeah, when you publish a report in Power BI Desktop, you see that report is published in Power BI service, and then you can use these options to pin your relevant visuals right in the dashboard. So yeah, this is the correct option. A is correct. CED. Let's look at the overall explanation. You can go through this slide. It tells you why options C, E, and D are correct. You can go through this. And the next one is why other options are incorrect. I'm not going to read all through this because you can pause this video here and go through this, absorb and learn about this topic in particular, so that if the questions are coming on this topic, you will know how to respond to these types of questions. So yeah, that covers the question part. Let's look at the resources. As again, I've been doing this course from Udemy. It's already completed. It's just that I am now planning to take this exam. I have already gone through this mock test from Udemy, and also I've recently purchased mocks from a website called CertIQ specifically for PL-300, and there is a WhatsApp group as well. So there are a lot of resources. Those of you who want to ace in this exam, you can reach out on the comment section in the YouTube. But yeah, that is on this topic. Let me now walk you through some of this Q&A feature in Power BI Desktop and share my screen as well. Before that, let's go to an article. So it's an article on Microsoft Learn how to create a Q&A visual in Power BI. It's a simple article. So basically, the Q&A feature, I'm sure many of you know about this. So with the help of this feature, you can ask questions in natural language which Power BI understands, and you can create those visuals, right? So it's a handy feature, but I think with the recent updates, it is getting retired in December 2026 with the rise of AI, there are other LLM, or natural language, uh, I believe, techniques are available. But yeah, it's fair and simple. The sign is the visual is this, basically a dialog box. You can create this visual, ask your questions. So yeah, that is this article. Let me now go to the Power BI desktop, and I've already loaded a table of states and cities, United States, with population, violent crime, different types of crimes are there, right? So what we now do is just click on this Q&A visual, which is retiring in December 2026, as you can see. And you can ask, you can create the map. So let's see, top 10 top city in crime, let's say map visual, right? I want to create a map, right? So you can ask this question, it will create a map for you, right? And yep, let's say it's creating like this. Yeah, just a second. Top crime city, top crime Texas city, okay. So it's giving a sum of 4.33 as map. So yep, as you can see, it has created a map visual for us by just typing, right? It will take some time to load, but yeah, you can ask as many as you like. You can just, instead of Texas, you can write top 10. Let's say top 10 crime cities, right? Is top 10 crime city as map visual. It's difficult to understand. Let's say, let me type heat map. Maybe it will take that. Yes, not taking it. I wonder why. But yeah, you can try different options, and it will understand which option to consider. Yeah, and it's taking a singular city. I'm not sure what is the reason, but yeah, this is how you can create and interact with Q&A. I hope you like this content. Yeah, I will look forward to bring you daily videos regularly, right? And yeah, thank you for watching.